be no bitch, Davis. Can't be no bitch, Davis.
Shut up, nigga.
There was more.
Shit, they is fucking with your brain, bro. Cause on one end, Davis, stop that, bro. You letting these niggas play you like a bitch, bro.
No.
And you letting them rock.
Wait, stop, Davis. Stop, Davis.
Yo, hold on.
Yo, stop, bro.
Where you going?
I don't know.
You better look your room, nigga.
No, he's not gonna do that. He's not gonna
What?
Bro, I'm telling you, bro. For the sake of everybody in this house, like that's not something I
I'm
want
not
to
gonna lie,
do.
the house just got clean.
That's what I'm saying. It's so amazing in here. That's not something I would want to do.
Yeah.
Bro, he's about to go blow your shit.
No, he's not gonna do it.
He's not.
Bro.
But you're like satisfied though, like July 4th was fun, right? Mm-hmm. Me too.
Are y'all niggas bugging? What's up with y'all?
He's not gonna.
Bro, Agent, I'm so serious. If I came here like this.
Bro, first of all, you're failing at your job. Let me start there.
Ash?
This nigga's supposed to be a therapist.
Yeah,
and you somehow found a way to instigate drama.
I didn't instigate.
Yes,
Rage
you have.
instigated, and then you replayed.
You're YRG, same thing.
Say less. If that nigga blow that shit in here, this will be the YRG house.
Oh,
nigga.
in here.
Because I'm gonna blow this shit up, nigga.
Oh,
if he blow this shit and I get dirty, it's fucking done, nigga.
Bro, he's not blowing in my room, bro.
Okay, love.
So he blowing up in his shit.
Nah, cause y'all piece it
Not
up.
letting these niggas play you, Davis.
done.
You a
He
grown
should-
ass man, boy.
He should know we're done, bro.
What is he doing right now?
Low. If he
Davis
do that,
is a professional pump faker.
Low, a nigga might die tonight
Yeah, you're right.
In
in
Yeah,
GTA.
in GTA. I'll move
Like
the
a
mic
nigga
away.
might die. Like it's so peaceful right now. Like so
You mean die, nigga? What the fuck you mean?
peaceful right now, bro.
I think once we get the pool,
Bro, he's stacking. Oh my god, he's doing it right now. Holy fuck.
no chance of blowing
Yes,
this
he
room,
is.
bro.
Yes, he is. Yes, he
Bro, I
is.
am
Davis,
so-
don't do it.
He is. He's already done.
Blow this bitch up, Davis. Blow this bitch up! The lady that play like some bitch!
Fireworks at your steps, nigga. He's about to do this shit, bro.
Yo, Davis. Okay, chill. There's no more left. We used them all. So you think I gotta fucking lie for?
I think my
Bro,
own
come
psyche.
on, stop.
You're right. I think my own psyche caught up with me this morning.
Okay.
And when I walked through the house just now,
Stop.
now I'm serious though. I think when I walked through the house, because this is therapy, it's about admitting you're wrong, right?
Yeah.
When I walked through the house, you know what I realized?
What's that?
I'm a sore fucking loser, bro. I'm dead ass a sore loser.
Stop. Okay.
I'm sorry, I admit it, bro.
He's going crazy.
I admit it, I'm a fucking sore loser. My bad, I'm sorry. Help me understand
You're
it.
good. You're
I'm a
good. You're
sore
good.
loser, nigga.
Bro, relax.
He's not gonna. Please don't.
Yo,
Yo, Davis.
I'm watching him do it right
Davis, chill,
If he
dog.
blows it up, you have to join.
Yeah.
Bro, but here's the
Oh,
thing.
wow. Oh,
not
there it
doing
is,
it.
right
He
there.
did it. He did it.
There it
Look at
is.
that's
There
my
it
room?
is. Yep, that's your room. That's your room, bro.
That was my room. Yo, you see?
Stop.
Let me go confirm it.
Stop. Stop, bro. Stop.
Davis loves that thrill, bro. This nigga, do you
You
see
don't
this
understand
nigga?
how
This
fucking good that felt, man.
Yeah, you love the
You
thrill,
don't
right?
understand how fucking. Oh my goodness, man. Cause I was not feeling good when I walked in my room today and saw the mattress missing, and I feel so good now.
Stop, bro.
Oh my goodness,
Chris.
yo, therapy is fucking real. I fucking love you, bro. Thank you so
this
much.
Is not on me.
Yeah,
Thank you
it's
so
100%
much.
on you. 100% is
I
on you.
feel so good.
Bro, I feel so bad for
Chris,
Chris.
I feel so good, bro. Oh my god, I feel so good.
Bro, damn. I'm tired of hearing fireworks, bro. Tired of this shit.
Go stuff your little puss ass back in the basement, boy.
Like, bro, what the fuck?
Get back in the fucking in the basement, my boy.
Just exhausted, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga,
This is your fault.
Back in the
Nigga,
fucking
you supposed to
basement,
come
nigga.
here and
You
calm
fuck.
the
Played
tension.
Rage and shit twice, nigga.
Nigga, no, we didn't finish it. Nigga said watch it. I can't pump fake. I said I'm gonna watch
You
it.
don't
I'm gonna
have
watch
to.
it.
If you really trying, if it's really trying to be peaceful, you wouldn't even play anything attacking us
You're
in
missing
the
the
first
point.
place.
You were supposed to
nigga.
calm things down. It's supposed to be some chill shit. Then
Nigga,
you were like, Cole.
came
The
here
reason I
and
didn't
did a whole bunch of
Cap,
other shit,
bro.
What
the
the
reason I
fuck
don't
is you
the
talking
reason I don't want
about?
to call Kai's because niggas on some chill shit, and I ain't want things to accept. Because if the nigga comes here,
We need this for
first thing they try-
we need this for when Davis is back in here. We need this for when Davis is back in here. Yeah, clip it perfectly. Bruh. Wait, Chad, does Davis know? Wait, he probably knows by now. The reason why Kai said I can't pull up no more is because when they told me they just wanted to bully Davis the whole day. Is that why he mad? Cause he found out that they didn't want him to pull up because they knew I was gonna help the nigga, and they just wanted to bully Davis the whole day. Looks dumb on the internet. Like you pussy. Did he find that out? Cause what's he doing? What's happening?
I have the balls. I have the balls.
To do this shit
Don't get me wrong. I have the balls.
oh my god.
On July 5th.
No.
Is the truth?
Bro,
Shit happened, bro. Shit
But
happened.
he did this shit.
Bro, shit happened last year on July 5th.
I
Bro.
did.
Like, bro.
After the cleaners done cleaned up, bro.
Bro,
Bro, wait, stop.
After-
No, this happened.
Stop, bro.
No.
Bro, chill. Wait, look, let me say something. Look, here's what I'm gonna say though. Look, chat, I literally.
Yo, stop taking my
Chat.
shit. You're fucking shopping.
Chat,
for my
look.
room.
Took my shit.
Look, chat.
You brought that from my room.
Can y'all hear me?
You own
I hear
that?
you. We hear you.
Bro,
We hear you, caller.
today, I had a great fucking
Rage, what
day.
did you do?
Today, the cleaners
Cleaners
took
went
the time of
crazy.
their day to clean every speck up, bro.
Cleaners went crazy.
Bro, you better sign a fucking peace treaty right now,
Okay,
bro.
hold on,
Okay,
hold on,
alright, sit
hold on,
down,
hold
sit
on,
down,
hold
sit
on,
down,
hold
sit
on,
down.
hold on.
Bro,
Let's actually try.
You have to call him again, though, boy.
No, I'm sorry, no, I'm sorry. No, let me say
Rage, the
something.
cleaners gonna hate you.
Let me say something.
Hey, the cleaners getting bans for this
Y'all
shit.
literally cannot tell me to relax. I gotta.
You gotta understand. Cleaners know they're getting like bans on bans for this shit. No, they want this job. They want to clean this up. They want to get thousands of dollars for one day's worth of work. Trust. I'm helping the working class here, gang. Blow this bitch up. Give some more thousands away. You know what I'm saying?
Here's my question. Wait, here's my question. Here's my question, though, gang. Why did you just do that?
You know what it is though? You know why that's what it is?
You know what it is?
What is it?
You letting internet niggas get to your head.
I don't think it's that. I thought it was that too. I thought it was like.
It is though.
I was
Cause
like,
you
Davis,
been,
you know
no,
what it is?
no.
I was like, hey, time out. I was like, Davis, do you care about the internet? I was like, nah, it's not the internet I care about. And I was like, you know what it is? I have to fucking actually rent a hotel. And even if I was, even when I, hang on, no. Even when I do get the new space, and I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm like, I'm fine with it. I was like, you know what? I can't even bring my expensive matches. And I was like, you know what?
Well, we just said
I literally just offered this nigga to get a whole match.
No.
Yeah, you're
I
gonna
know,
get
I
a
know.
new match.
And
But
let me tell you why this nigga's a phony, bro.
But you're gonna get a new match.
Word to my mother. Nothing in this crib happened until this nigga sparked the stream. Word to my mother, this whole shit been good until this nigga sparked the stream. And now I gotta go out my way to do this shit now, gang.
Yes, lie to you,
Do you
Davis.
remember?
Davis, you were literally talking the whole day. You was good.
This is where I was. Purchasing property. That's where I was.
Today?
Okay.
That's where I was.
So you out of here
Yeah.
then?
No. Don't try to make it that.
Bro, you
It's
out of here then.
it's
So
property
look,
to
here's
rent.
what
Is
I'm-
wait, stop it for the TikTok thieves. Run away with that clip. Stop it, nigga.
See,
That's
you
for
talking
no.
about clips right
No.
now.
I don't want niggas to run away with that. It's property to rent out. I don't want niggas to be like, oh, he bought a house.
Okay,
to do that.
okay, cool.
Don't let niggas run with that.
Okay,
Thank you.
here
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna go ahead and tell you. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you
Damn, you got smoke.
what I got going on in my head, Davis, right now, bro.
Tell me.
What you done did was the biggest mistake of your life.
Nothing.
But it doesn't. It just
Hold
get,
on, Agent. Don't tell me to calm down because I was showing the whole day, bro.
Yeah, you was.
I was
No,
showing the
I'm
whole
not
day.
saying- I'm just saying like.
I should have
bro,
never even walked over here to begin with.
Now he's chilling.
I didn't want to play.
Look, I'm telling you right now, bro.
Yeah.
What you just did was the worst thing you ever just did.
Do you know why?
Ever.
You know why it doesn't matter though?
And let me go ahead and tell you something. Why it don't matter?
Cause Kai, you can shoot up that whole room. It's
Okay,
a fucking empty
no,
room.
okay.
Blow it to the
Okay,
ground.
look,
I don't
look,
even have
Davis,
nothing in there.
Davis, you're right. Davis,
ahead.
you're right. And this is why I'm gonna tell you this right now, bro. I'm gonna tell you my moves before I do it.
Okay.
Tonight, I will blow something up. In a few days, when you get a whole new whatever you gotta get, I will blow it up once again. Because at this point, you're trying me, and I gotta keep going to show you that I'm not pussy.
Okay, but hold on,
Like,
hold on, real quick.
like-
Outside of you being pussy, not being pussy, and niggas being pussy, do you know there's no longer fire extinguisher dust on his floor?
Bro, do you know?
So-
Bro, do you
Again,
know
Davis,
I-
it's all your fault,
I have
apparently.
to do
They
this.
do no wrong. Davis,
I had to
they do
experience-
no wrong, Davis. It's all your fault. Everything's always your fault. It's your fault. There's your
At
fault.
small fires, you can step in. This is not a step. No one's stepping on this, bro.
Yo, bro, I have 4
Every time.
fucking crater.
Everybody's mad at
10
Davis once
craters
again.
in my cheetah print luxury carpet, gang.
It honestly makes
You
sense.
think I give a hold on? You think I give a fuck what this nigga saying?
No, but you don't care about a fire in your own house?
No.
It's a fire.
It's
It's a fire. It's a fire.
I understand it's a fire, but here's what I'm saying. I don't give a fuck.
Sure.
Look, and chat, please, bro, for what I'm about to do, do not blame me for any of this shit, because I've been chilling. I'm
that
telling
was
you right
Davis,
now,
y'all
bro,
be on his
and I'ma
ass.
walk away. This
Sad.
nigga hasn't done shit all day. It's been peaceful.
Low, Asian, why you telling Kai to chill? Like how you're telling Davis to chill. Tell him to chill, bro. Tell Kai to chill. Chill, don't do it. Don't do it.
What was that supposed to?
What was
Hold on.
that?
But you know,
What was that supposed to accomplish?
it
Is that being
But you
said,
know
my
what it is?
boy?
Let him go though. We have a piping thing, so he'll literally start fire. But let him do it.
Davis
It's not, you know.
It's-
Mute for 2 seconds.
has
Mute for 2 seconds.
been Yeah. So look,
Goodness.
bro, I'm telling you, bro, you literally had no reason to do that. The only reason you
Nah,
did that.
nah.
Davis, I'm personally
yet.
not letting a 5
Okay.
foot 4
Yeah.
horse
Look, the
swag
only-
ass
look,
nigga
look,
try and
look,
impress me.
Look, here's the thing.
That's me,
Here's
bro.
the thing, though. The only reason he did that because you just let whatever just happened get to your head,
Bro,
and
you
you
did.
just did that for no reason, bro. Truthfully.
Okay,
you
well,
just did
hold
that
on.
for no
What was the
reason.
objective though? Like, what was you?
Gaslighting
You know
you,
what? I think
gaslighting you,
it's one of those
gaslighting
things where
you.
You just like let off like you just let off steam, right? Because when I think about
Go outside and yell.
No, that's true though. I did it as well, right? I did it when I walked in and saw my mattress on the bottom of the floor. When I walked in, I was like, damn, nigga, I don't got nowhere to sleep. I was like, you know what? And guess what?
That's what I'm asking. These niggas saying, is this shit scripted? Was that a prank just now? Like, what did you do? Like, did you do
Chat
a
is not. It's
like,
not scripted.
word of mouth, like, chat, I swear to God, I'm over this fireworks shit. That shit happened yesterday, gang.
Oh, dead ass. Okay, so look, no, there's no new rage clip, nigga, because that one could be, nigga.
Stop.
Anyways,
The rage clip is part of the problem right now, dog.
anyways.
I-
On a genuine note, though, I do have like nothing left here, so I hope all power to you, like on a genuine note.
So you was gonna blow that and then you just gonna walk and
That's what I'm
leave?
saying.
we're going to sit.
No,
when
but
you're-
look though, it's good though because he can walk and leave. I hope he renting that bitch out for a very long time, gang.
You gonna blow
I'm
every
going
day?
because as I keep going, you're gonna keep going, so I'm gonna keep going. This shit won't stop, gang.
Ever.
I
But
still
it's
gotta get
gonna
new
stop.
models.
It's gonna stop,
I
bro.
still, bro, I'm going to blow this shit up.
But there's
in
nothing
here.
in there though.
There's nothing in there.
Yo,
The principle.
what's the
yo,
principle?
low.
the
Ask
principle.
me if I give a fuck. Low, hold on, wait.
Yo,
Ask me if I give a fuck. Low.
Therapy, bro. Why is you holding your forehead, nigga? Save this nigga, bro.
No.
What I'm
Look,
the point I'm making is if you
I
doing
swear to
it,
God, I don't care. Like, I don't want to hear nothing about caring because I ain't gonna lie, bro. The cleaners did their thing today, and this shit been amazing.
wait.
For the
you
fact
just shot his
that this
door,
nigga
right?
decided.
Okay,
Wait, look,
bro.
wait.
Just shoot at the door. Just shoot at the door.
Wait, Chris, shut the. Chris, I'm so serious right now. I don't want to hear none of that.
Yeah, just shoot at the
Wait,
door.
look, bro.
Yeah, hold on.
Just shoot at the door.
Wait, let me
That's
talk. Let me talk,
Okay,
bro.
okay, go,
I'm
go.
telling you right now, bro. The reason why that shit just happened just now is because he genuinely felt pressure from the chats.
No.
Yes,
I think-
you did.
I
You
told
recorded the whole day.
No, check me out though. It's not that. You know what it was? I told you when I came back here, what was my demeanor when I walked through the hallways? When I was like, fuck, there's nowhere to lay my head tonight. Fuck, there's nowhere to sleep tonight. You saw.
Bro,
the
go
energy
get
I
your
had.
ass a fucking mattress and put that bitch in that motherfucking room. I already explained it to you earlier with Phantom. I said, yo, move your PC over here, get a brand new mattress off the AMP shit. You got my voucher to get a brand new mattress so you don't take out your money to go buy a new one. Go do that shit.
Let
Set that
it be known.
motherfucker up in there.
Also,
Let
the
it be
reason
known,
I
though, once
broke
again, though.
Davis'
Let it
bed
be known
last
once again.
year. Lol.
You're valuables. Besides that monitor. That if
I
you
got
need to-
valuables, bro. None of that shit. Look. Here's the thing, bro. Here's the thing, though. Yes, I got valuables, bro. And yes, I was willing to blow all that shit down. I don't get.
Good,
I think you're not
good.
understanding,
Okay.
Davis. I don't give
a
a fuck.
I know.
So what are you telling me right now?
I'm just letting you know.
I don't give a fuck.
Even
Wait,
now,
just shoot at his door, bro. That's it. That's all.
No.
The fuck?
Yeah, just go.
He's not.
go.
He's not here.
Bro.
He's not.
Look, if you was
not.
looking at look, if you got some shit right now, look, if you look, hold
the
on,
worst therapy
look,
song.
look. I don't look. I'm not doing no more talking. Look, if you got some shit right now, you go in your car, go put on your Kanye, go sleep, go over there for the night. go. Like that ass just go. And the only times that you could think about coming back is if we got like a shoot or something, or like or sleeping anywhere, unless you want to sleep on the couch and shit.
But if you just
Because
shoot
Davis,
one thing.
as I go, you're gonna go.
Bro, nigga. Bro, nah.
So you're just so basically you're saying because once wait, give it 2 seconds.
I'm gonna. I'm gonna.
He's not gonna do it.
I'm gonna.
Yo, Snap, hold on. Snap, wait before you leave.
I'm gonna.
Snap.
If you cared, you.
I'm gonna.
He's not gonna do that.
Yes, he is. And he,
Yo, there's no way to put that out.
ego thing. I showed you the
Hold
ego
on,
thing,
chat.
including
Hold on,
myself.
bro.
It's an ego thing, I promise. Chris, if you think you're stopping by standing there, you're not.
Oh man.
Yo, Marcel.
Yo.
You're the worst therapist in history, bro.
Is he about to do
You're
it?
the worst therapist in
He's
history.
about to light it?
No funny shit, yo.
He's
Yo,
lighting
bro,
it?
Like,
He's lighting it?
I borderline think you're not a therapist. I'm starting to think you're not a
He's
therapist,
lighting it
nigga.
right now?
You're fucking ass, nigga.
Is he lighting it?
Bro, is he lighting it? Is he lighting it? Just yes, nigga. Duh, nigga. Bro, you're fucking ass, nigga.
Bro.
That's the best advice you could come with.
He should have just shot
Damn,
one.
bro.
Bruh, like damn, nigga.
He shot one.
He's like, I don't think he's going to. But there's no way to stop it. I actually don't know what it is. Nah, I did lie a little bit. I do have one conversation. But that's it. And it's a small one.
Young girl don't want that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley spray fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
I'm not gonna lie, that's why I didn't want to do it.
Young girl don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pour some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no head, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm?
Fake therapy.
And I ain't smoking no shirt.
Basically,
I'm
like
really big,
borderline
P-Litty.
egging this shit on. Not on, just on some dumb shit. At the same time. No. Please no, please no, please no, please no, please no, please no, please no. Bro, y'all not getting it, bro. Like, off stream shit, no content shit. Like, the house is cooked if he blows that. Chat. It's hard to fucking pull a camera and be like, oh, look, guys, this is gonna be for, because this, there's no stopping it.
Go.
Are they arguing?
Came to a conclusion.
Are they arguing right now?
Yeah. All right. Look, Davis lit it in a place that wasn't even near Kai, but now Kai thinks, yo.
Hold on, I'll be back in a second.
That's what I'm saying. Wasn't even in his room.
Yeah, so he's about to explode it off of this here niggatry.
Bro. Yo, you gonna have to go talk to that nigga too, bro.
Oh, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Yo, go, yo.
Explosions, bro. It's the door, bro. No, bro. Phantom, can I explain this?
Hold on, chat.
In the room, telling me a whole different story. Please tell the people what you telling me in private. Me? No, him.
Hold on, chat.
He talking about something.
YourRage Gaming YRG, you have been awarded Hall of Fame Instigator. I am proud of your progress. BTW, watch your Twitch so I can follow.
Hold on, gang.
Bro, David, stop. Bro, you put it on the show, bro. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that,
Hold
bro.
on, gang. Don't even worry about it.
I was sitting here, gang. Okay. Bro, this nigga came in here. He seen these niggas like saying he pussy.
I'm trying to find this
They
nigga
did a
number.
whole
This nigga
poll,
low
they said
number.
he's pussy.
What I save him
This
as?
nigga Rage does a clip saying, bro, you can't back down like that. Don't do that shit. There's no way you going out like that. He walks down my step and blows up the big shit in my room.
Was it in his room or at
No,
his door?
a canister. When he says the big shit, it's not those.
Not that.
It's a
That
canister.
shit must be in his hand.
He blew that up in my...
Just now?
What was he doing the whole day, Phantom? Chilling, vibing.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, to keep it, but he did that.
Yes.
I did it, right? Yeah.
Who you feeling like though?
Why are you smiling? What's wrong with you?
Legend of Kroger. I didn't save it as Legend of Kroger.
Davis, did you do it or not?
No, I'm waiting for it to play out.
What? Play
Alright,
what?
so
Wait, nigga, wait, stop. Did you wait? Stop.
Nigga, he
I'll do this one instead.
Wait,
I'll do this one instead.
wait, hold on though, bro.
Look, you know what that one? I gotta do something. It's about the principle, man.
The mom
It's
actually blew
the
up Davis'
principle,
whole
like.
room, and they acting like Davis the one wrong them up.
And I walked out like.
But the whole thing.
No instigating shit. This is just straight facts. Davis just got that role in the group, bro. You blame everything on Davis, and it just is what it is. That look, no integrated shit. If Davis was any other nigga, this wouldn't be a thing. If that was Duke, if that was Phantom, if that was any other nigga in the same position, it wouldn't be this, bro. It's because it's Davis. No instigating shit. I'm being 100. I'm being real, bro. I'm being real.
I don't on names, but niggas was running like Rick.
I'm being 100,
like
bro.
Rick, so I don't know if this shit real life right now.
Bro, look.
Did you really pop that shit off?
Yeah, he did. No,
Yes.
without a doubt,
If he has shit that he wants to do, bro, you do that shit yesterday. You do whatever you gotta do yesterday. Get you shit out there. We spoke.
Okay,
Everything
all right.
ended yesterday.
Hold on. Bro, wait
I'm
one
doing
sec.
something though.
Okay,
Something's gonna happen.
just chill for a sec because what? Why are you waiting to speak?
Wait, because I
had a great day today. My day was amazing.
Where's the other extinguisher?
I don't. There's none. Unless he has some in his room, or I think you
That's
might
what-
have
that's
one.
what Jay
And
told
it's
me.
too late.
But I don't know, bro.
I know. It's too late to buy it, and then it'll definitely go through the fire.
Why this nigga's the worst therapist in history?
He's an amazing therapist.
We were
Hey,
talking,
yo,
right?
it's too much talking going on. What's going on? So like,
Yeah, what are you?
Now just let it. Just let it. You got the
He's
floor.
an amazing therapist.
Oh, you're
yo, it's
talking
either you go.
Bro, you got the floor, Davis.
Look,
Say it.
Look,
Say it.
and then he gonna pack out his phone and say he got some property that he gonna be at. So I'm like, bro, you might as well.
That's not what he said. That's not what he said.
You say
I'm so glad of the nigga.
You say you literally got you looking at rental properties. That's what you
I'm
said.
so glad that this nigga's
Right
here
before
so
me,
he
did
can
you
go.
not say that? Yes or no?
I said
He
I'm
said
purchasing renting property so I
You're
can rent it.
purchasing.
What are you waiting on? Why are you waiting on him to do something for you to say something? That's what we trying to figure out. Say what you trying to say.
Bro, you literally just recorded on your phone and said, yo, bro, you're gonna look so dumb after this because where did I blow the flyer in your room? I said, did you blow it up in there or not? He's bluffing.
Okay, all right, fine. Did you blow it up in his room, at his door, near the steps? Where did you blow it up?
I got the
Answer
text
the
over.
question. Answer the question.
We gonna look at all of it. Let's go.
Yo, David.
See?
Bro, he's playing.
You see, right?
Davis, where did you blow it up at? Davis, where'd you blow it up at?
Let's see.
Stop,
Davis,
Where did you blow
don't
it
be
up
pussy. Davis, don't be
Answer the
pussy.
question, nigga.
Davis, don't be pussy. Davis, don't be
Go see
pussy.
what, nigga? Answer the question.
Davis.
Let's go see, nigga.
Go see.
Fuck it.
Go see.
Let's go see.
He ain't blow it up in Kyle's room. He ain't blow it up in Kyle's room.
Why is Low wearing a king-size comforter for a jacket? Bro is taking up 45% of the screen just sitting sideways. Rage, you sexy? Am I gay?
I wanna call Low right now, bro.
I think the best solution to this is Kai and Davis boxing in out/Dono.
That's OD. Chat, that's OD. That's OD, chat.
Duke literally
That's
blew the
OD.
house down day after last year. And somehow it was Davis' fault. Now he got no room and it's still his fault. Lamar. Davis the little bro.
Fuck it, I'm gonna call this nigga. Fuck it, I'm calling this nigga. I'm calling this nigga.
Is he muted? Oh, I'm muted.
You gotta check his phone. You think he's on D&D?
Yo! D!
Fuck that ass!
They keep asking him to talk, and then they cut him off right away. If I was Davis,
can't see that I'm
I'm
calling him.
sparking that shit.
Can't be seen that I'm calling him. Can't be seen that I'm calling him. Good work. You did some good workout, good therapy. I like that little therapist session out of you, my boy. You doing God's work out here. You going crazy. Look. You cannot let it simmer down, though. You cannot let it simmer down. You gotta at the end of the day, if this was any other AMP member, they wouldn't be on David's ass like this. Let him remember. Remind him that. All right, keep putting in work.
Oh, my eyes. Oh, fuck.
Now that you got that out the way, it's even now. Do you want to keep going?
I do.
Yay or nay?
Is it fire?
I don't even know. Go! Go! Bro, it's gonna be all night. All night, baby. No.
Bro, y'all niggas tweaking.
That's another one. Baby. No.
Rage is really behind the scenes pulling the strings.
He must not know.
We're good. Is this fire? Step on it. We don't have bro. It's not infinite fire extinguisher.
YourRage, is it good if they just clean the house? Oh no, that's.
That
Hey,
nigga Duke is smart.
what does that
He
mean?
only
They dirty up
said
the
that
house
the
again, then what does that mean? What does that mean? You call the cleaners again. You're giving ladies more money. They're getting more money. They're getting thousands of dollars. I'm helping the working class. I'm helping them out. I'm helping the working class. You think cleaning ladies don't want thousands of dollars for cleaning for one day, my nigga? The fuck is you talking about?
And I'm taking your shit.
Let's not even take this.
It was so easy to take this. Now we must start stacking.
Bro, y'all again, bro. This nigga's tripping, yo. That nigga's a wildin', bro.
God damn it, man.
Anyways, Davis, why are you?
Dude, try to hide it. No, that's somebody. Oh, I'm telling you. No, we gonna stop. Bro, nothing happened in the crib until you went live, gang. Where's my lighter? I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro. Stop.
They got a lot more.
It's the principle, gang.
Hold on.
Bro, Agent, move, bro.
But hold on, bro. You can't hit this one too, nigga.
Ty, you can't go out like that, bro. That nigga tackled you, blew your shit up.
Wait.
Nigga tackled you, blew all your shit up. That's tough. Don't start no fire now.
Disrespect, bro.
Shit. Davis up today. That's all I know. Davis. I got respect for Davis now. I got respect for Davis.
Snap.
I always did, but he proved himself. Oh, fucking hell. What the fuck?
What is it good for, bro? Let's go.
Alright, bro. Chill now. Good.
Bro, you see y'all niggas, bro, we had a good, bro. I'm telling you,
I know.
the reason why I'm pissed is because shit was not like this before shit got on the internet, bro.
I know.
That's why I'm pissed. If you really want to do it, that's all free, man. You would have done that for free.
don't look like the bad guy, Kai. Never. Stop it. Don't put it on Davis. Davis, don't let this nigga turn it around on you, bro. Davis, don't let this nigga turn it around on you, Davis. Davis, you see how he just did that though? Like niggas was blaming him at all?
Bro, Davis, what am I dead? If you really had a problem with your room, you could have came to me and been like, yo, bro, I really got no one to say. I would have, you know what, bro? I would have heard you out and see what you did. I probably wouldn't even help you even find someone else to just be out for momentarily. Yes, and you would have came to me. Go ahead. He would have gave me some breach or something. Run it back. Run it back. You're dragging it, bro. Run it back. Let's go. I'm telling y'all. Telling you, bro. You know I'm not stopping. I don't give no fucks. Listen, I'll say this. That one was in the hole. This shit, like, what do you gain from this?
Okay, y'all even now? Y'all even. 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 I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up. I'll clean it up. Y'all even.
Yo, besides all this other shit that's going on, you still evading tax, man. Nigga, I seen that.
Oh my God.
Nah, nigga. Yo, it is the time.
What niggas think?
I didn't even know.
Cause I seen the clip, nigga. You went up. You went up. It wasn't even like 15. Everybody spam 15. Everybody spam 15.
I mean, you want to do this one? How you know this? I'm just asking.
Oh, that gotta be ass.
Bro, and it's right by my room, bro.
Yeah, bro.
No, nigga, just clean
I'll
today.
clean it up. I'll clean it up. I'll just get them out.
Stop, bro.
I'm good. Nigga, I told you, I'm only going to keep going.
Look at my sweet cold. How am I supposed to sleep here?
Yeah.
Bro, you gonna be taxing niggas extra now?
Yeah, bro.
I mean,
Right now, my
Taxing niggas extra now, bro. Davis, you done now?
Damn, gang.
Even though you still got that one right
Damn, gang.
I love my bitches, it's pretty, they showing their titties, up to the ceiling. I let her run through $1 million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on the billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swerve. Keep me a stick if they purge.
So you done with this shit, bro?
Go show Davis some love. Go show Davis some love. Go like, retweet his shit. Go show Davis some love. Make him feel accepted. Make him feel accepted.
And I'm right back on her deal. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg in the condo. We bout to eat Maggiano. Helping the kids, I'm beaming on Narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. Gotta go get it tomorrow.
Hey, the nigga waved the white flag and then blew.
But you gotta remember the white flag was with the agent though. I never had a white
That was
flag.
with
See,
agent.
these niggas is they saying it's pussy treaty, bro. Like
That's
these
fine.
niggas is
Yo, alright, bro.
We good.
Sick of this game, bro. Get it?
Low. W low.
Yo, chat.
W low.
I'm the therapist now, nigga.
Yeah, deadass. You might be better there.
Yo, let me ask you a question, chat. Who the fuck started it today?
The only thing I don't like, if I'm gonna be honest,
Who started it today, chat?
Go show that nigga love, chat.
Cause I was in the
Show that nigga love, dead ass.
the only thing I'm gonna think tonight when I go to sleep is, should I have put, and I got one left somewhere, should I have put it at his bed? That's the only thing. And I think
But did he damage it better? Was it
Yes,
the people who did?
No, he did.
It was low.
Who's that breathing, nigga?
Bro, yeah. Kyle went way crazy, man.
But no,
No,
it's
no,
okay.
I'm saying
It's
who
okay.
fucked up the bed?
But
The
no. Hey,
cleaners
guys,
who threw that
guys.
shit over?
The bed
Hey,
was
chat.
usable. It's just thrown off.
Hey, my brother's in
That's
chat
what
though.
I'm saying. That's
My brother's in chat.
Bro, that's the firework talk, bro. Don't come up here talking about you gonna push it on my back. Bro, stop it. End that shit now. I'm telling you.
What's that sound?
This whole shit will go
The AMP
down.
frogs?
Bro, why are you laughing?
I'm not even laughing, bro.
This nigga go around saying he up 1-0.
Wait, look at shit.
Shut the fuck up. That's what I'm saying. This
Like-
nigga keeping count and shit.
Alright, bro. No.
What the fuck is that? The hell just landed on the mic?
Laughing though.
The AP shit just throw me off, bro.
This nigga talking about he up 1-0. Like, shut up.
Bro, that's how I know he's an internet nigga, bro.
I am.
Yes.
Yo, okay.
Good shit. Good shit. Good shit, low. Good shit, low.
What's up antagonizing each other?
He is though.
Why did you come back upstairs? You can't see.
Because you talking.
It's too much
shit.
smoke in there.
No, because I'm watching that.
She said too much smoke in there.
And you're talking about blowing up my bed. If you're gonna do something, do it.
I did several times.
Okay, and then discussion. Now walk away and go. Stop talking about the fireworks shit, bro.
Hey, so look.
That's it.
So look. Y'all did what you said you were gonna do. There's no reason to escalate it further.
That's it.
Wait, why you say you want to do something besides?
Hold on.
I'm not on.
Wait.
I'm not doing nothing.
Getting louder or stepping in front of. Hold on, Davis.
I said, why did he say fireworks? Like he said, stop doing fireworks. Is he trying to like?
I said, stop talking about firework conversation.
Okay, hold on. We're not gonna bait each other into like, oh, okay, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna snap back.
Agent, trust me,
bro.
I am cool.
Okay.
The only thing I'm doing, I'm matching energy. Notice, nothing went on today, bro. Notice that. Nothing went on today.
Yeah.
This nigga sees chat, he sees posts,
25.
he sees clips. After he do what he do, he goes on Twitter. After he goes on Twitter, he makes tweets. After that, niggas gas his dome. Bro, niggas gas.
Ain't nobody gassing your dome. He tell you the truth. Niggas telling you the truth.
Do you not know I'm crazy?
Not enough.
I'm a crackhead.
Not enough.
Do you know that?
Not enough.
Crash out, boy.
Not enough.
Yo,
I don't think you crashed out.
Y'all trying to start. Okay, we're not starting back up. We're good.
The fuck?
We're good. Okay, we're good.
If you would,
bro, we're good.
was,
It's done.
Joe, shut your bitch ass up.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, y'all did it. I'll clean your rooms up today.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, go ahead. Good boy, Agent. Clean their rooms, Agent. Good boy.
Yes. Okay. That's it, bro. Like,
We're good. Hey, we're straight.
Y'all done? Or is y'all finished?
This nigga talking about how you keeping count is 1-0. Like, calm down.
I am up there because the last one was in the hallway.
Right now, hug it out like brothers, nigga.
Bro, no, I just don't like that. Like, I just don't like if you had this energy all along, why did you wait till a nigga went live? I don't like that, bro.
Do you want to hear? Or
What?
You gonna talk?
Cause if you want to do that shit off stream, I would have been back off stream with you. Like, shit would have just been off stream the whole time. But as soon as shit hit the internet, it's like you get this battery in your back that you just gotta like.
I was out.
Prove yourself.
I was out.
Kai, you don't blow niggas shit up off stream either, my boy. Like, stop it. Stop using that. You don't blow niggas streams unless niggas is live too, nigga. Stop playing. Come on, Kai. Stop playing. Ironic, my nigga. Like, come on, bro.
The cleaners fuck my bed up. That's not nobody's fault. But I said, you know what? It's low-key annoying. Hang on.
And who? Don't touch me. You see me touching niggas, bro. Stop
Look,
touching
I already
niggas.
did. I already did, though.
Listen, I was like, you know what? Why the fuck did I show so much consideration when a nigga didn't have no consideration for me? I said, you know what? That's my fault. Because when I say low, all is fair with war. So I was like, you know what? I'm tripping on me. I'm the nigga that's like,
Facts.
You're going too far.
Facts.
I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm
Facts.
gonna go further.
Facts.
And that's it.
You're sinning. You're lying.
Okay.
Stop sinning. You're lying. That's a sin. Phantom, what did we just talk about out there when we talk about the vote shit? Wasn't I trying to comply to this nigga like, yo, bro, matter of fact, you actually deserve a new mattress. You spent all that money on it. We should put that on the AMP card, set it up there. We went in his room.
Everybody always against this nigga Davis.
If I knew if it was that deep,
But why not
talk about it the whole day?
All jokes aside, the nigga pump. Why do you do that though, Davis? Why he leaving? Why you leaving now, bro? Now he did pump fake. He was in the kitchen, right? And I ain't gonna lie, word. We went to the room. We was like, yo, put a bed like right here. Do your setup right here. Like we giving him like ideas and all that. The nigga just, I ain't know he blew that.
Is our work here done, chat?
Hey,
Chat, is our job here finished?
He got Josh, cause I know that bitch ass nigga watching. He got Josh gassing his dome ski through iMessage and shit, talking and shit.
Wait, Rage gas?
It wasn't iMessage.
No, trust me, I know.
No, I ain't text that nigga. I ain't text him. I swear on my life I ain't text him.
Oh yeah, I know.
I ain't text that nigga. Swear on my life I ain't text that nigga. I ain't text that nigga.
Wait, how you feeling, Rage?
I ain't text that. I can show you. I ain't text that nigga. Not today, my boy. Not today, my boy. Oh wait.
What?
So when I said
Wait, I did.
You gonna blow it down again?
What?
When I set up my room, you gonna blow it down again?
If you don't want that to happen, just drop it now, gang.
All right,
no.
he's done.
I'm done.
He's done.
Alright, so that's it.
Alright, that's it.
Good.
Hey, bro, you got a whole big ass stream coming up, bro. I don't even want to bother you. You have a whole 1v1 you gotta do, gang. I want you to stream as often as possible.
All right. Hey, my fault.
Kyle, you done crying?
The Balenci shirt and
Kyle, you done crying? Is Kai done crying? Is Kai done crying because he finally got the same energy from my boy Davis? Good shit, Davis. Good shit.
Nah, you might be next.
Wait, hold on, hey, hold on.
Low, run. Run.
So this nigga's YRG, right?
Run.
I'm
telling him
And this
run.
nigga's been one of the worst therapists in history. It was a rage
Run.
clip.
I'm telling him to run. I'm telling him to run. I'm telling him to run.
I told you.
Let me ask
Run.
you.
Almost feel like a
I'm telling him to run. I'm telling him to run.
No. Let's
Wait.
no.
No. Hold on, listen. You came to the AMP. Oh, yeah, I like that. Hold on.
Oh, big nigga versus big nigga.
Oh shit.
I beat your ass.
Oh shit.
Hey, this nigga Low came to the AMP crib,
Yo.
but you came in the car, right?
Hey,
Watch
look.
this.
Hey, look. Wait, what? Hey,
Y'all niggas just smoked out my room.
Bro, dude. I swear to God, go watch that clip back.
Y'all just smoked out my
Dude,
room.
I don't know who put the battery in this nigga back. Bro, we on stream. The nigga walks in. Chat calling him pussy. He see a Rage clip. That's saying Rage saying, you gotta get back. Davis decides to walk down in my room and bomb that bitch up. So you know what I gotta do, bro.
Bro, my
Out of
room's
nowhere.
smoky as fuck.
Out of nowhere though. We had a great day today.
Bro, I was gonna sleep here.
Thank you.
Oh, I didn't say get back. I
We
said,
had a great
why y'all manipulating my boy? Why is Davis always in the room, my nigga? He did what he want with that information, Kyler.
He's
his own man. So low, YRG low. That was a good dap right there. That was a W dap.
So like, yeah.
That was a 10 out of 10 dap right there.
Yeah. So
That shit was ooh.
yeah, I was done for the 4th, but
That was
he made a whole
clean.
tweet talking about some July 5th is gonna be crazier than July 4th.
Who said that? Oh, Davis.
Yes, nigga, wait till 2020.
What's that?
Wait,
Nigga said, "Where's Davis headed?"
When
The
did he
gas
tweet
station
that?
or Hotel.
Yo, niggas is crazy.
when did Davis tweet that?
But if it was that deep, bro, he could have told us today, like, yo, bro, I ain't gonna
What
lie.
time was that again, chat? That tweet?
YRG conspiracy.
3 hours ago.
What's this?
Bro, stop gassing shit, gang.
I'm not gassing things.
Oh, let me see.
This is they pinned the clip.
Oh no. Low, run. Low, you're caught. Run.
But shit.
Oh, this one. Hold on. This one. Hold on.
Run. Run.
Oh, shit.
Where is this nigga headed? Where you going? Hold on. Don't leave before we watch this clip though.
Run.
Don't watch.
Run.
Bro, I just got here, bro. I literally just pulled up.
You blow some shit about the driveway.
Yo, you're a nasty nigga, dog. You're a nasty nigga. Good work. Facts.
Whoa, I was right.
Yeah, what's up?
Nah, your room is low.
Absolutely not.
I know.
Bro, they're talking about good work when y'all started blowing.
I know. Hey, Josh. I'm gonna remember that, bro.
Remember it, pussy!
That's fucked
Look,
up,
look.
bro.
I could sleep in
remember
clean
that. That's
H2O today, my nigga.
That's
You
fucked up,
can't.
man.
You can't sleep with a gas mask for the rest of the week, my nigga. I want good for your lungs, Kai. I want to make sure you healthy. Gango. I want to make sure you healthy.
I wasn't wrong, man.
Nah, I think.
Of course, you're never wrong. You're never wrong.
Hennessy-
Kai's never wrong. Kai's never wrong.
But it's
Platoon the shit at him.
It's a principle. Why you fucking with me though?
I agree, especially on July 5th, especially right after we clean the house. But like going one for
sure.
one.
Oxygen.
I feel bad for anything else but the cleaners, bro. Like them niggas really.
I got good, healthy oxygen to breathe in, bro.
clean.
Bro, I was low key thinking I was just on some shit, like on some conspiracy shit. He left. What?
What did I say?
I said, boom.
What do you mean?
I said H2O delirious.
Well,
Bro, that frog just sound like a frog. Sound like a nigga breathing.
can't do it today. That's tough.
Damn, I was going to shoot today.
Agent Paul?
Nigga waited on any excuse.
Alright, chill.
And bro, I was gonna live today, but
Oh, brother. Fuck out of here.
hey, I'll clean it up though. My fault. I didn't realize it was
My
gonna.
fault.
fall.
Chat.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was having a good day. I didn't even.
Chat.
I was getting pissed.
I'm sorry.
Let these niggas do what they do. We out of here. We did what we did. We did what we needed to do. We moved tact.
I'm selling out the pop.
We move with IQ, chat. We move with IQ. We move tact. We move at a distance. We could have been right there face to face, but niggas wanted to, you know what I'm saying? Niggas said, hold on. Rage might be a little too much. He can't pull up. Davis knew what he was doing inviting me, bro. Davis knew what he was doing, gang. Hold on. Next time, Davis. Next time, Davis. Next time, Davis. Don't even worry about it. Next time, bro. Next time, bro. Next time. Next time, bro. Next time, bro. They knew too, cause after the war they was calling me. They was like, yo, you couldn't come because this, that, and the third. I was like, I already knew about that. Like, oh no, I meant you couldn't come because this, that, and the third. They already know about that. Oh no, it was because Kyler, come on, man. Kyler, come on, man. Bro, I know, bro. Davis, they wanted you in the losing position, bro. Come on, Davis. Don't let them rock like that. How'd that shit get to Duke room, though? Who room near Duke room? I mean, it's smoke, bro. That shit gonna rise. Hey, man. Dude look tight. God damn. Davis spinning back? What you mean Davis spinning back? Davis coming. What do you mean? For what? Okay. Hey, what?
It's like, damn, dog.
Making an evil face right quick?
Hold
on. Let's do a few. Let's do a few.
They was fighting, right?
Who's they? Sinat and Davis?
It's Sinat and Davis.
Yeah.
I go to break it up. I let this nigga Kai in the air. Well, this nigga need to get in the gym. Hey, Kai, get in the gym, little nigga. Get in the gym,
Pose?
little nigga.
Like you're mind controlling?
Hey, when we go to...
Let me remove chat.
Hey, love y'all niggas, man. I know them frogs is going crazy right now. Hey, look, bro. Look.
Cook up, Barnes. Cook up, Barnes. Nigga said hideous. Hey, man. Cook up, Barnesy. Barnesy, cook up, Barnesy. Why y'all saying Davis pulling up, bro? Everything good, right? Everything cool now, right? Your nose big. If I actually have a fucking regular ass nose, I'm not gonna lie. Actually have a regular ass nose, bro. Yo, Mel2KK typed in my chat, Kai gonna do it to you, bro. Stop streaming. Bro, look, Mafia. I know, like, y'all feel attacked that y'all superhero just got dicked on. But, like, y'all a bunch of little ass kids. I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about, bro. Y'all like 3 years old, 13 years old, 12 years old, 10 years old now. I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. Y'all this tall. Y'all is this tall, my nigga. Y'all is little ass kids. I don't give a fuck about what you talking about, gang. Alright? Call Davis. What's Davis doing, bro? What's Davis doing, bro? Bro, I can know. Make chat bigger my fault. I can know Mafia when they type, bro. Some dude said, "Shut TF up, bruh." Bruh. Come on, bro. Okay, Jits. Jits. Yo, just chill, Jits. I ain't trying to have a war on Jits, bro. I ain't trying to have a war on Jits, bro. Alright. Let me check up on Davis, though. I don't know if he gonna answer. I don't know if he talking to niggas. I texted Low, run. This nigga Low said, I'm gone. Alright, hold on. Where Davis at? Where the fuck Davis at? Wait, I didn't text Davis today. Wait, I didn't even text Davis today. I thought I said... My last message with Davis was... Damn, never mind, Kai said I can't slide. I wanted to go crazy with you. That's my last message with that nigga. Damn, Damn, never mind. Kai said I can't slide. I wanted to go crazy with you. That was the last man. I thought that was today. W delete. You could ask Davis. Okay, I'm gonna call Davis right now. I'm asking, what's the last message I sent you? You can call Davis right now. I thought I sent him the message that I typed out, but I never sent it. I never sent it. I never texted that nigga. I thought I texted that nigga. I didn't text that nigga today. Damn. I didn't even text the nigga. I didn't even text the nigga. Hold on, he might be on D&D. Or he might just not be answering the phone. We gonna see. Since y'all think I'm cap, I ain't delete shit. I just want him to answer, so. What's up, Angie? Wait, how y'all in here? Oh, y'all was a agent shit? MGM, what's up, bro? Why can't I lie, bro? The Jits mad at you? You're blowing him up. What do you mean? What color? Hold on. Well, they got this nigga David strapped up to a chair or some shit. Goddamn. You foul as fuck, nigga. All I said, I didn't even text the nigga today, bro. All I said today, what did I say today, chat? What did the clip say? I said, Davis, do you notice how when you do something, you always in the wrong, or you either didn't do enough? There's no winning with you. They can't let you win. There's no winning with you. And he did what he wanted with that information. He did what he wanted. That's all I said, bro. That's all I said. I ain't even text the nigga. I was gonna text the nigga, but I ain't even text the nigga. I ain't even text the nigga. I ain't even have to text the nigga. I ain't even have to text the nigga, bro. Damn, I should've. Bro, it's facts though. They always on Davis' ass, bro. Davis always the butt of everything. Davis always in the wrong. Davis always doing too much. Davis always pussy, bro. I root for the underdog, bro. Bro. Yo, them niggas so mad, bro. I'm looking at hold on, look at Agent Chat. Look at Agent Chat. Yo, these niggas so mad.
It's kind of like a repeat. The cleaners don't know this happened. Now they
the cleaners get to make another $10,000 for cleaning for a day. Bro, you're not mad that the cleaners have to re-clean, Agent. They aren't even mad. Yeah, let me get an extra 10 bands for cleaning this fucking house. Thank you. Put on the AMP credit card, gang. See, that's that shit they be trying to make y'all think, bro. No, what? Cleaners taking that job like this. You think they're saying, "Aw, we don't want to." No, nigga. No, nigga. It's propaganda. Can I get 10K raise? Do I look like I have $10,000 to give out, chat? Do I look like the type of nigga that got 10K to just give out? Bro, that was fun, bro. You are so sped, bro. Broke ass bitch. I'm broke as shit. I don't got 10,000 to give out, bro. What we on though, bro? Let me hold 1,000. Hold on. Motherfuckers on my phone. Nigga, chill. Apex out. No. We gotta get into some reactions, bro. Bro, Mark has to see this elite level of instigation, bro. Mark has to see these elite levels of instigation. And you AMP jits that are in too deep crying in niggas chat, suck a dick and don't do anything that I wouldn't do, bro. Don't do anything I wouldn't do, bro. And don't do anything I wouldn't do, guys. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'll never say that shit. W role model? Nigga, I'm a Twitch streamer, nigga. Shut the fuck up. WPR work? So suck dick. No, I'm not literally suck dick, bro. Not literally suck dick, bro. Ooh. I kind of like making these little niggas mad, bro. Ooh. Davis is live. Live where?